Good morning, everybody. I'm student meteorologist Stephen Puglisi, and this is the WestCon weather update for today, Monday, October 30th, 2017. What a night it was last evening, and we have a look at some storm damage from last night in Willimantic, up in the northeast corner of Connecticut. A tree landing on a car and a house, and unfortunately this was just one of a large number of trees that came down on power lines or on cars and took out the power in a lot of cases. In fact, at the height of the storm, we did have over 160,000 power outages here in Connecticut, and there still are quite a few. Danbury here has about 2,000 remaining, and over here, the hardest hit community in the state was Deep River, in which 100% of the population lost their power last night. Otherwise, pick any town you'd like. The darker the color, the more people lost their electricity during the storm and still have that out as of about 11 o'clock this morning. And unfortunately, the wind is just going to continue on for the next couple of hours, and we still do have a wind advisory that is in effect until 2 o'clock this afternoon in Danbury, as well as a flood warning that is in effect a little bit longer until 2 in the morning. Just to our north, though, high wind warnings remain up until further notice for Litchfield County and the counties of eastern New York. Still very gusty, the big headline for your day today. Will it be a fiendishly cool Halloween? I'll get to that in just a moment. A wet weekend could be in store once again, unfortunately, as well. Currently, though, in Danbury at 11 o'clock, 48 degrees your temperature, a 40-degree dew point. That's a 74% humidity, with winds still quite strong, with a sustained wind of 17 miles an hour, gusting as high as 30. On our national map, here is the low pressure system from yesterday that brought us all the wind and rain. That is moving off to the north of the New England region. Now, none of these other systems off to the west pose any threat to our weather anytime soon, although by the weekend we will have another system here in Danbury, and in fact, perhaps even a little bit of shower activity on Thursday as well. On our infrared, there goes the storm, and look at how strong it was. Quite the clear center of circulation beginning right here, and watch as it pushes its way right up just to the west of Danbury, which allowed for the intense wind that we experienced a night ago. As for the rain, we did have a few leftover showers through the morning. They're pretty much winding down, although it does look like we have one last batch of rain to get through before we completely begin to clear things out here in Danbury. For your high temperature today, 56 degrees is all we're going with. That's not that warm. We still are quite windy. The showers will be ending in the next 2 to 3 hours or so, and we'll be left with really mostly sunny conditions. Winds 15 to 20. The gusts of 50 would have happened earlier in the day. We're now looking at more like those 20 to 35 mile per hour gusts here in Danbury. Tonight, mostly clear, seasonably cool, winds much lighter, 5 to 10 miles per hour out of the northwest. 41 degrees is your overnight low. And then as we go to our extended forecast, tomorrow mostly sunny and calmer for your Halloween, a high of only 55 degrees though. For trick-or-treaters, it looks like your temperatures will be in roughly the mid-40s for your evening, and that is not wonderful, so make sure that they are all bundled up. Wednesday, mostly cloudy and cool, a high of even less cooler than tomorrow with a high of only 53 degrees. Thursday, showers are possible, especially in the morning hours as the storm looks like it'll mostly miss us just to the west, but I can't rule out getting clipped. Friday, we increase the clouds. Saturday, our net system moves in, especially in the afternoon, and it looks like that will produce perhaps a fair amount of rain over your weekend. Thank you so much for watching. I'm student meteorologist Stephen Puglisi. If you have lost the power, I hope you get it back soon, and have a great rest of your Monday.